Right, let's start here. It looks like former President Jacob Zuma will finally have his day in court. The Supreme Court of Appeal has dismissed his last attempt to have prosecutor Billy Downer removed from his case. The National Prosecuting Authority has welcomed the dismissal. The eNCA says the application has no prospects of success. Zuma's corruption trial will resume on the 11th of April. Let's get some more from the National Prosecuting Authority. We're joined by its spokesperson, Mr. Mthunzi Mhaga. Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Mhaga. I think the NPA has always said that the former president's application was absurd. So, you have basically been proven right in this judgment.
Of course, our argument has been reaffirmed, and all that we are doing now is to focus on ensuring that the trial that is scheduled for the 11th of April 2022 does go ahead. Our witnesses are ready to lead evidence against both accused.
I think for many South Africans, we're wondering if this trial will go ahead, Mr. Mhaga. We've been on this road for quite a long time.
It has been quite a protracted process with what we consider to be delaying tactics on his part, because clearly there were no prospects of success in an appeal, given the fact that they were prematurely appealing against a judgment when the matter has not been concluded, which is absurd because you have to wait until the conclusion in terms of the conviction and sentence, then you can appeal. So our argument has been that it was premature for them to mount that appeal. Now we are focusing on ensuring that there are no more delays in resuming the trial on the 11th of April.
And I imagine also the state resources that are always going to the Pietermaritzburg High Court, only to be told that the case has adjourned for another date, is also, those resources that should probably be concentrating on other cases that are also sort of being wasted. Or am I overreaching here?
No, you are correct there, because every time we have to instruct counsel to defend or oppose these interlocutory applications to defend the appeals that is mounting against judgments, it costs the state money when we should be channeling those resources towards ensuring that we sustain the charges that have been preferred against him. And if he has any defense against those charges, those should be ventilated during trial, not through premature litigation on preliminary issues.
And Mr. Mhaga, while I still have you, his legal team has always said that sending him to jail would not be the ideal. Is there room for such sentiments when it comes to a criminal case?
Well, I think that will be rather speculative. Let's focus on ensuring that we lead evidence against him, we secure a conviction, then we can talk about the appropriate sentence at the relevant time.
All right. Well, the case to be heard on the 11th of April, the trial to go ahead. That was NPA spokesperson Mr. Mthunzi Mhaga speaking to us there about the breaking news that former President Jacob Zuma's application to have prosecutor Billy Downer removed from his corruption trial